Dive into the exciting world of Cinc, where you can bring your ideas to life. First, begin by logging into your Cinc account. Once you're in, the interface will guide you. Look for the creation icon, which might be a plus sign, a create button, or a specific icon related to the type of content you want to make. This is your launchpad. Click on that icon. This action will open up a gateway to the creation menu. Here, Cinc presents you with options depending on the platform's design. You'll see a list of what you can create. Documents, profiles, or project-based content are common examples. Now, select the option that aligns with your creation goals. Let's say you want to create a document. Clicking on New Document will initiate the next step. Great! Time to give it a name. Look for a field labeled Title or Document Name. Enter a concise and descriptive title to help you easily organize and find your creation later. Now the fun really begins. Adding content. You'll notice a text area or editor opens up. Start typing, paste content, or insert images to add what you desire into the document, profile, or project. Customize your work. You can change text formatting, add headings, or use different available tools that Cinc has for you. These are usually found in toolbars or menus. When you're done, find and click the Save or Publish button, often positioned at the top or bottom of the screen. Congratulations! Your content has been successfully created within Cinc, and you can now view, share, and interact with it. Happy creating!